Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL on Windows 10 or 11 operating systems. First go to PostgreSQL official website, that is postgresql.org. Hit enter. See here PostgreSQL, the world's most advanced open source relational database. And see here the versions, we have the versions from 12 to 17 and the latest one is the 17. Click on download. For Windows you have to click on Windows. Then download the installer for Windows, you have to click on download the installer. Then it will be redirected to EDB site. See here we have the versions from 9.3 to 17.2. I am going to download the latest one. PostgreSQL supports on Linux, Mac and Windows. For x86 64 we have to click on this download button. Click on it. Wait a moment, it is going to download. See, download has been started. Go to downloads. See here, the size is 331 megabytes. You can download any of these versions. See, but I'm downloading the latest one. But the installation process is same for all versions. See, download is completed. Now click on this PostgreSQL 17 exe file. Click on it. Click on next. See, this is the installation directory. If you want to change, you have to click on this browse button. Then select the path where you want to install. I am going with the default one. Then click on next. See, it is going to install these 4 components. PostgreSQL Server, pgAdmin. pgAdmin is the GUI tool for managing and working with PostgreSQL databases and servers. Stack Builder is used to download and install additional tools, drivers and applications. Command line tools, see here we have the like pg base backup, pg dump, pg restore and many more command line tools. Okay, so I want to install all, so keep all the checkboxes as it is and click on next. And this is the data directory. If you want to change, click on change, then click on next. Then provide the password for super user. Super user is Postgres, see here. Okay, you need to remember this password which is required to connect to PostgreSQL server. Then click on next, and the default port number for PostgreSQL is 5432. Okay, I am not going to change. Click on next. Default localhost setting I am not going to change. I am going to keep default localhost setting. If you want to change, select from the list. Click on next. See, this is the installation summary. If you are okay with all these settings, then click on next. Ready to install, click on next. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more database tutorials, which helps and motivate me to make more PostgreSQL or other database videos. See, installation has been completed. If you want launch Stack Builder, you have to select this one. I don't want at this moment. Later also we can launch. So select it and click on finish. We have successfully installed PostgreSQL. Now we can connect PostgreSQL by using 2 methods. One by using PSQL client and another one by using pgAdmin. We have already installed pgAdmin. Go to start, all applications. There is a PostgreSQL folder. See here we have the PostgreSQL 17 folder. See here we have the pgAdmin, which is the GUI tool for the PostgreSQL, and PSQL is the command line client. First we will connect by using PSQL client, then we will connect by using pgAdmin. Okay, click on SQL shell, that is PSQL shell. See, we have installed PostgreSQL on this machine, so give the localhost. Already it has selected. Hit enter. Database, the default database comes with PostgreSQL is Postgres, so no need to give. So hit enter. Port number 543. Hit enter. Username Postgres, which is the supervisor. Hit enter. Then provide the password that we have set at the time of installing PostgreSQL and hit enter. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server. Let us verify. Select version. See, we have installed PostgreSQL 17.2. If you want to verify list of databases, use \L. See, these are the 3 databases comes with installation of PostgreSQL server. And if you want to see list of users, use the \du. We have only one user, that is Postgres, which is having all privileges, which is super user also. Okay, we have connected PostgreSQL by using PSQL client. Now we will connect by using pgAdmin. Go to PostgreSQL folder. See here we have the pgAdmin folder. Click on it. Now click on add new server or right click on servers, then select register, then select server. Both options are same. Select it, then provide the name for the connection. I'm giving pg17. Name can be anything. Then click on connections, then click on connection tab. Here we have to provide host name or address. Host name can be localhost or give the IP of the machine. If you don't know IP, run IP config. See, this is the IP of the machine. Okay, I'm giving a localhost only. Then port number 5432, maintenance database Postgres, username Postgres, then provide the password of this user. Then we have to click on save. Expand it, expand database. See here it is showing only one database, but here it is showing template 0 and template 1 also. Okay, to create new database, right click on it, select create, then database, then provide the database name. Class is the, you can give any name, then provide the owner name. I have only one user, so select the owner name. Definition, see, you can provide table space, template and all. I will explain this more in some other video. Okay, and if you click on SQL, see, this is the SQL statement to create the database. Then click on save. See, new database there. If you go to SQL shell also, there if you type again \l, see, new database class is there. Okay, if you want to switch to this new database, \c and provide the database. See the message, you are now connected to database tools as user. If you want to create, you can also create database from here also. Create database testDB. Hit enter. See, database is created. Verify again \l. See here we have the new database. Here also we can get, but here it is not showing. Right click on it, refresh. See, new database is there. We can also run the queries in the pgAdmin. Right click on any database, select query tool. Here we can run the queries. Okay, if you want to create new user, right click on this login or group roles, and then select login, then select create, then select login or group role. Here we have to provide the username. In the definition, provide the password. Then privileges, can log in. See here we have the different options. Here you will get the syntax. Then click on save. See, new user is there. If you go to SQL client also, there you can find \du. See here we have the new user. The last option that I am going to show you is how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL service. Go to services.msc, then press P. See here we have the PostgreSQL and its status is running. If you want to stop, click on stop or right click and select stop. All three options are same. If you want to restart, right click, restart or select this link and restart button. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure PostgreSQL on Windows 10 or 11 or servers. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.